S&P 500 still has a little room that it can go higher, but let me tell everybody what we're telling people worldwide in our network, all our traders around the continent, is that we have rallied back up to these levels, that we're right below that 1520 area that we've talked about. However, if you've been involved in the great January of 2013, we started the same way in 2012, and it's just a repeat cycle. So we're getting up here to major topping areas where each little higher high is going to have that much more wall of resistance. The important thing to know is, if you're in good quality stocks in the S&P 500, is to start learning how to sell at the top or sell into the rallies, because we are due for a pullback. You want to raise cash with profits so that when we get those pullbacks and those dips, which we will let you know, we're up here at that wall of resistance area right here, and I've showed it on plenty of the analysis. So we already know what the technicals are, but we also know that each little higher high that we get going up into the 2007 area here is that you want to be able to raise money. And that February in itself is a little bit weaker month for stocks. You got to know when to take some profits so that you can buy the dips. We aren't totally 100% I mean, we are overbought. And as it keeps going up little by little, as we said, we're reaching targets here that are going to have some pretty good reversals coming back down. So we'll let you know when the reversals actually happen. However, you want to trim and add money to your account. You got profits, you want to start taking a good portion of profits so that when the S&P has its correction, and we'll let you know, we're getting closer and closer all the time right here. And this is the parabolic move all the way up from 2013 right here. We broke out at that level, but I'll show you the rest of it here, right here at this bottom. I'm going to draw that down there. I'm going to put this right here for you so that it becomes very clear that it's with this gap from the and that's what January was. It was one of the best Januaries on record. And February is usually a little bit weaker month for equities. Yeah, you had negative GDP growth. Yeah, the unemployment wasn't as favorable. Yes, the private sector did better at 3.4% versus government spending cuts in the defense sector, which was about 15%, which put it into a negative growth. However, based on the forward-looking spending cuts that have to happen in the economy, that would provide a little bit more weakness. Look at QE3 is in play. Printing presses are running around the world, and it's causing us to have these great rallies. It doesn't hurt to sell into these rallies. Don't worry if they go up another 15 or 20 handles. Just know that the individual quality equities that you own that are up at their highs as well is that you want to be selling and raising money into the highs so that when they do pull back, you've got cash from profits to buy more in this particular 2013 calendar monthly bull rally in the S&P. I will be updating the rest of our traders and the trading floors that we have, and the whole enchilada of people that we have, is that it's time to get paid, and it doesn't hurt to put cash in profits in your portfolio, because you can take those profits and buy dips and roll them into more profits. Okay? And you have to make constant renewal of what you're doing and constant adjustments, and good money management is good practices now. And you're welcome to join our free 5-day trial. You're welcome to join any of our trials that we have, because we would enjoy helping you as much as we can. And in order for you to do that, you can go to the stockmarketfunding.com website and you can clearly see that you have lots of options. Join the Market Maker School. We've got high frequency trading uh, that we can give you an update on, and we have weekly and monthly placements in that. We have lots of various opportunities here. Simply apply. If you want to open an account, you can open an account. You can go to trading. You can hit open an account. Once you hit open an account, it's going to tell you all the benefits. We are going to give you money to trade the market with. And then we're going to give you our market maker alerts in the live trading room so that you can have the power of our expertise and management behind you. And we're going to give you money so that monies can be traded if you're in our program. And you can contact us directly. You will not have the pattern day trading rule. That means that all of your online discount brokerages, those platforms are retail. They're not direct to the market like we are. The most important thing is the pattern day trading rule. Your accounts are below 25,000, and you know what kind of hindrance that is, and you know what kind of restrictions to your trading is, meaning that you can only do 3 intraday trades a week, and then they will shut you down as to dollar for dollar, and then even then you're restricted on how much trading you can do. You will not have that problem again. Your account will be well above that pattern day trading rule, and you will be getting capital funding from us. You will get the intraday market maker alerts from us. You will be in the live trading room doing everything that would power you and your trading business. So, once again, the wide world alert is to sell into these upper rallies. Yes, we are going to have some pullbacks coming. The markets are a little bit complacent. The bull and bear count, you got 54% bull and 24% bear. That's about right at the time where each little level that we go up is going to hit the wall of resistances, but it's the perfect time where we get pullbacks in markets or corrections in markets, and we will have one in here now. And the money from the bond market has been coming out and going into equities. People did not underperform last year when we started the bull rally in 2012. They never got in. They underperformed the whole calendar year. Now they're coming in. They don't want to lose out. What I'm saying is you want to buy in where rallies start at the bottom and then sell into rallies and raise cash. So if you own 400 shares of something that's big, so what? You sell 300 of it and raise cash and keep 100 of it, and they pull back to a certain level, and you have the other part where you want to protect the profits and take those profits and buy the good dips that come. This is how it can be done. And you know, we do have individual training for people that have IRAs or yearly training. We can address whatever you're doing. If you want to be a short-term trader and really make a whole lot more money than anyone else, then get involved right now. Open an account up here. There's open an account tab. You click on it. There's an online form, SMF, Titan Equity, Final. I don't know why it says Final. It's Titan Equity Final. This is where you get moving. This is your final destination to fill out the account. Okay? So basically, it'll give you all the things that we give you right here to power your intraday trading. Okay? So that takes care of that. Sell into rallies on the S&P 500. We can still continue to go up a little bit more. We haven't totally hit that total top end yet, but we're long into the tooth. That means on an intraday level, because we're, coming up here, that means that individual stocks that go up to their highs, they too are going to pull back intraday. And it's going to take the second round. You got to have a good pullback, and then that second round of buyers to come in and push these markets higher. Just remember, we're only 1 month into 2013, and everything that I'm saying here, I'll be correct. That's why we're doing the live training with all our students right now to let them know how to sell into rallies, how to buy the bottom part of rallies, how to sell in. Earnings season has been in full swing, and we're winding down. And generally, the month of February can be a little bit volatile, and we're going to have to cut the spending looking forward. So you're going to get back into your government quibble and all of that. So right now, the way that the bull is to buy pullbacks when we get the correction, and it's not that far away. And it can go sideways at a top and stay overbought too for a number of days and even weeks. Um, we'll definitely keep everyone updated, but once again, sell into rallies and raise cash.